say that there wasn't any wind either, but there is. And we are rowing around, kayaking, as it is called, in Naples. Adventure kayaking. Hoping there'll be no thunderstorm, lightning, any other freaking thing. It's weird, I'm only the only kayak out here. I think it's a coincidence. It could also be the result of not watching the Weather Channel thoroughly, like everybody else down here does. They could make a sun shower into a cyclone, hurricane, typhoon. Keeps the ratings up. Anyway, I don't know. A lot of cloud technology up above. Hopefully no lightning. Navigator's gone. I'm left by myself. There's been a mutiny on the kayak. Mutiny on the kayak. No navigator. Thanks for nothing, Renee.